Hi friends, this is a continuation of the latest video that I had titled Money Mindset. Karon atong pag-iisgutan ang utang. Ang utang pwedeng makadaot, pwede pong makaasinso. So actually, I have read the book of Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad. Karon ako na sa gina-practice, ginasunod na ako. Ngano man. Actually, daghan kong utang. Daghan kong liabilities. So, dagang bayranan. Ang daot ato is, nangutang ko para igasto og liabilidad. So, gagasto ko liability. Dili maayo. Unta, ang gingon ni Robert Kiyosaki, you get a loan, take a loan, but don't spend it on a liability, but spend this para na kay asset. So for the purpose of putting money into your pocket. Now I'm trying to do this right now, and I will update you guys kung unsay lakat. But so far, it feels good, really. It feels good when you take out a debt or nangutang ka tapos imo siyang gamiton para naay kwarta musulod sa imong bulsa, dili magawas. Kaya mahitabo man god usually when we take out a loan, ato rang gigasto padulong sa wala, gagawas sulod mo sweldo or sulod imong income, nigawas ra padulong og bayranan. Unsa may mabilin? Wala. So zero. So from my experience ni Ani, I'll try to relay this to you, and hopefully it will enlighten you and you do the same.